Hello, this is Gene at iFIXsmartphone.com. Today I wanted to talk about, the so-called AirPod copy. Well, I'm sure many of guys know already the Chinese were able to somehow clone or hack the Apple W1 chip. So they were able to, there was some bigger AirPod copy and it looked just ridiculously stupid. And then nowadays, and they were able to copy the W1 chip, and then so-called they said the 1-to-1 ratio AirPods are available from China. So I've decided to buy a sample just to show you, so you don't get scammed or fooled by some those people who try to cheat you guys for small cash. So I bought that and just wanted to show you some comparison, what to look for, what the difference is. And this is just a brand new box that I just got it, and the tape's still in there. So I'm gonna cut this. Alright, and the box looks, it's just kind of giveaway. It just looks really like so copy. They got the picture of an AirPod and a case, but does not have any Apple logo, and it says model i20. There's like i10, 11, 30, 15, all kinds of numbers out there. So I guess it don't really matter, but I guess the i30 is more cloned looking of the AirPod. But anyway, I'm gonna open this up, and there it is. So here's the AirPod case. And then there's a cable. It looks just like the Apple Lightning cable. I am sure this does not have MFI chip in there, but I'm pretty sure this will work. They are able to bypass all that. So I'm gonna go ahead and toss this away. And here it is, the fake AirPod. And I have my own, the real AirPod, and I had put the the Apple logo sticker here, but they got peeled off. But anyway, to indicate it's mine. And I also have the dust shield guard in there, so it's to show you this is mine. Anyway, this is a real original Apple AirPod. You can see there's a marking, and it says designed by Apple in California and assembled in China. And then I don't know if you can see it, but inside in here, oops, let me try to remove this out here first. First giveaway is, like, when you look at inside of the cover, there's a serial numbers, the FC numbers in there. So this just pretty much gives away to show you what's real or what's fake. And then let's take a look at this case. If you look at the case here, you can see, I don't know if you can see that, but it is thicker. I should put it like this. It's kind of identical, but you can see it's slightly bigger. I got this old ruler here. Let's see how the thickness is. So this one's reading about 94, and the original is, oh, I guess I read it wrong, so that was 85, more like an 85. This is 83. So it shows you it's slightly thinner. Now let's look at the internal content. I still have the plastic on me. So you need to take it out. The light blinks, and there's a AirPod copy. So let me compare it to the original. Let's see. Oh, I gotta take this one. So if you just look at from the plain view side, yes, it's slightly bigger, but it looks, once it's in your ears, hard to tell whether this is gonna be, you know, original or not. But you can see it's slightly bigger, I think. Let me just measure that again. It looks pretty close. So this one's reading 62. 62, pretty close. It's pretty the same. Maybe I'm just wrong. Anyway, and then the microphone hole is a little different, but it looks pretty identical, right? Alrighty, so bottom here, that's a little more round in here on the fake one. It's more oval shape at the bottom. The original has more oval shape. The copy has a, you know, the more rounded bottom. And then now here comes the functionality of the W1 chip. So in order to do that, put this in there. And then get the iPhone. And once you open it up, just like an original Apple iPhone, this will try to pair. You can see that. See that? Look at that. Actually, iPhone sees this fake AirPod as an AirPod. So you just press connect. It says connecting. It actually connects. Now the name changes to AirPlus -A. I don't know what that means, but it's, you know, obviously they cannot call AirPods. But and then once you go into the Bluetooth setting, you can see AirPlus right here is connected. And then put it in your ear, and then you just play the whatever the music, I guess, and then it'll just play sound. So just crazy. So once you connect it, it just works. So it's kind of scary how the Chinese were able to, you know, clone the chip and make a copy of the AirPod, and this definitely will fool some, you know, like knife buyers on the market. So you can, you know, obviously in China they're selling this for, you know, like $30 to $50 range. And then if this comes to the States, and the original AirPods are being sold for about $159. So if anybody on the street say, hey, I got this AirPod, you know, selling for $60, you know, $80, like half of the original AirPod price, and people might get fooled. So just wanted to let you know what to look for before you buy this fake one and get cheated. Make sure you look for, you know, when you're examining it, just look for some, you know, small imprints, you know, like if there's this assembly in China is missing, or, you know, if they give you some kind of excuses, just open this up and look in here. Look it on the, I guess on the left side of the cap, there should be a serial number right there written. Like I said, again, I'm going to show you. There's a serial number. Serial number is written right inside a cap. So those are a couple of things to look for. Then, you know, you save yourself a lot of money, and you know, not get cheated. So just wanted to share some information with you. If you have any questions, drop us an email through our website, iFIXsmartphone.com, and thanks for watching.